final day of the co-selling webinar challenge. Congratulations for making it this far. You are so awesome. You're almost ready to run your next co-sell event, and we have a good feeling that it will be a complete success. But before that, we have one last mission for you. Yesterday, we discussed the importance of consistency and aesthetics in attracting attendees for your webinar. In today's session, you'll learn how to publicize webinars through digital marketing engines and communities, and create an event promotion plan and kit to get those promotions up and running. These final steps are integral to making all of your efforts you've put into your co-sell event worth it. So here we go. Let's finish this challenge together. Start by downloading your toolkit, then organize your linked creatives. And finally, join us in today's call to learn how to set up your promo kit and publicize your event. That's it. In just 5 short days, you've gained and mastered an entirely new skill. We're so grateful you joined us on this journey. Let's go out with a bang in today's session from 5 to 6 p.m. We'll see you there. You're amazing. You did it. Excellent. Join us on the call. Woo! Let's go.